Okay guys, welcome back once again. Today I'm teaching you how to install a very nice graphic menu for PES 2017. Okay, so follow me. It's very simple, so follow me. I'll give you the software too. I'll give you everything, so follow me. Let's try opening the game. Okay, so this is the installation. Okay, I'm teaching you how to install it. This is the graphic menu Efootball PS 2022. Okay, So I have the software here. I'll make sure I'll give you the link so that you can download this very easily. Don't forget to subscribe, because here we give you the software very easy. You don't add any ad or anything. You just have to download and then install. Okay, so you open the folder. Okay, that is, after downloading, you extract. Okay, you extract here. If you extract, this is what you're gonna get, this folder. Okay, then put it on the desktop so that you can see it clearly. After the extraction, this is what you're gonna get. Okay, so you open the folder and then copy this too, because if you open it, there's only two things in there. You copy this too, copy it like this, you close. Now go and open the game, being it PES 2017, 18, 19, or any model that you have. You open the file location of that game. Okay, now don't paste it here, don't paste what you copied here. Now open the download inside the game. Okay, now paste it here, I've done it already. That's the reason why I'm not doing it. I don't want to paste it, but I'm giving you the procedure. You paste it here. Okay, if you paste it to ask you to replace or whatever, you paste it here. Now, because as I said, I've done mine already, so you can see I have the graphics effects here, I have GM Efootball here. Okay, so after you've done it, you come back, and then some of us, we have our DP file generator inside the game. Okay, if you don't have it too, I will make sure I'll do a tutorial on how to install it and then give it to you free right after this video. Okay, some of us will have the DP file generator in the game. If you don't have it, as I said initially, I'll give it to you. Those of us too who don't have it, it's supposed to be on the desktop like mine. It's on the desktop, so what you have to do is that you open it, more or less like you run it. Okay, you run it like this. Now we have the DP file generator here. Now if you come here, like mine here, as you can see, I have this one and then that one. These are the two things that I pasted in the download. Okay, so here you will have to check everything. Make sure you check everything here. You select check all like this. Okay, so that make sure that the graphic menu, the GM, and then the graphics has been selected, of course checked. After that, and then some of us too, there are some of the patch that we have omitted. Those of you who have omitted some, you just have to omit those omitted ones. Don't check them. Okay, the point I'm creating here is that some of us, we have some of the patch that we don't use. Okay, so when we are generating files, we don't generate them. Okay, so those files that you don't generate them, you leave them out, and then you generate the usual one that you use. But make sure that you add the graphic and then the G football. Okay, after that, now you generate. After that, you generate. Okay, and then with the patch too, if you check mine, you see, you go to program files, PES 2017. Now the downloads, that's where I told you that you are going to paste the file that you copied. So the first part will be the download folder, and then the second part you open inside the download folder, and then you see that DP file list bin, you select that one. Okay, after that, with here, don't change anything, no DLC. Okay, and then you go through what I told you. Don't install those, or better, so don't check the boxes that you don't check. Okay, make sure you check your ready file that you are using, and then you generate. Okay, you generate dp file list, and then that's all. You are through, and then you can enjoy the graphic menu. In fact, it's very nice. And then you can, after that, I know some of you will come and then compliment. Don't forget to subscribe. We have many things for you as far as game is concerned. Okay, thank you, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.